Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson on conditionals in English. Conditionals are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and a main clause, that are used to talk about possible or imaginary situations. In this video, we'll go over the four main types of conditionals and how to use them correctly. Let's dive in! Firstly, let's talk about the zero conditional. We use the zero conditional to talk about general truths or laws of nature. The structure is if plus present simple and then present simple. For example, if you heat water, it boils. It's that simple. Secondly, let's look at the first conditional. We use the first conditional to talk about real impossible situations in the future. The structure is if plus present simple, and then will plus the base verb. For instance, if it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. Easy, right? Next, we have the second conditional. This one is used for unreal or hypothetical situations in the present or future. The structure is if plus past simple, and then would plus the base verb. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. It's a great way to talk about dreams and hypothetical scenarios. Lastly, let's discuss the third conditional. We use this to talk about unreal situations in the past. The structure is if plus past perfect, and then would have plus the past participle. For instance, if I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. This is perfect for expressing regrets or things you wish had happened differently. Now, why should you use conditionals? Firstly, they help you express possible or imaginary situations. Secondly, they allow you to talk about consequences. Lastly, using conditionals makes your language richer and more varied. Let's move on to some practice sentences to test your understanding. Let's practice with a few sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb and identify the type of conditional. 1. If she study hard, she will pass the exam. 0. First, second, third conditional. 2. If they arrive earlier, they would have seen the fireworks. 0. First, second, third conditional. 3. If I be a bird, I would fly around the world. 0. First, second, third conditional. Pause the video and see if you can get them right. Now, let's go over the answers. The answer for the first one is, if she studies hard, she will pass the exam. First conditional. The answer for the second one is, if they had arrived earlier, they would have seen the fireworks. Third conditional. The answer for the third one is, if I were a bird, I would fly around the world. Second conditional. Great job. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. To sum up, conditionals are a key part of English grammar that help you talk about different kinds of situations, whether they're real, possible, or imaginary. Practice using the different types of conditionals, and soon they'll become a natural part of your speech. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more language tips and lessons.